Oke guys, balik lagi dengan gua Rival Azhar di channel Sunda Mecak. Sebelum ke video jangan lupa untuk di subscribe, like, dan komennya ya guys ya. Kali ini kita bakal nge-reaction video yang ada di TikTok ya guys ya. TikTok kemarin kan sempat ada si iSauceSpeed ya. Jadi YouTuber asal Inggris, dia menjelajah dia ngevlog live stream di berbagai negara, khususnya di Asia Tenggara ya. Dan kemarin dia berkunjung ke Indonesia. Kita bakal nge-reaction momen-momen iSauceSpeed live streaming di Indonesia, oke? Jangan lupa untuk di subscribe, like, dan komennya. Let's go.
Is he here?
Yo, Speed. Hello, Speed.
Oh, Mindy, what's good?
Oh, Mehdi is my friend. Mehdi is still outside.
Oh,
Yes. Mehdi.
Where's
outside,
Mehdi at?
outside. We wait here, okay? Mehdi outside. My dear friend, Mehdi.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, where's Mindy at?
Mehdi outside. Still traffic.
Traffic?
Yes.
Okay, all right, back. Okay.
I'm a huge fan. I'm the owner of the restaurant
Okay,
upstairs.
what's good?
Anytime you want free meal, you come by, yeah?
Okay, shit. Better for me.
Your SS, this one, your batik. It's
What?
from my company.
You made this batik?
Yes, my company, USS.
You made this shit for me?
Yeah!
Thank you, motherfucker. Yeah! Thank you, mother. What the fuck is wrong with this nigga? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
The fuck? What is wrong with this dude?
Dance off.
The fuck is he on?
Huh? You, what's wrong?
What is wrong with this nigga? Is he here?
Ini botak terkuat di dunia guys ya. Si Speed bertemu dengan si botak terkuat di dunia. Next. Ke rumah hantu, hantunya mau dibantu. iSauceSpeed innocent banget. Oke.
You okay? You need help? You need help? Huh? You need help? You need help? You need help? Come on. I'll help you out. Come on. Let's go. Come on. You need help. He need help. Come on. Get on my back. He need help. Chuck, we gotta stay safe. Help me.
Jadi si iSauceSpeed ini dia baru berumur 19 tahun ya guys ya. Dia tuh ngonten awalnya 2018 sebagai gamer ya. Jadi dia suka nge-reaction video-video games gitu. Di naik-naiknya dia itu karena konsisten di 2021 karena videonya ngakak dan suka ada ini guys, spontanitas dari reaction dia. Jadi dia booming banget sampai sekarang.
Nah, I'm cool.
The Real L kecepatan, iSauceSpeed menang lomba lari lawan Bang Nendi.
Yeah. I'm going no shoes.
Apa nih guys?
Bro, you gotta ready, set.
Anjay, dia cepat sekali guys.
You gotta do it.
Ini suara dari live streamingnya kayaknya guys.
You gotta do it.
I will do it.
Delay.
I will walking from Bali to Jakarta. I promise.
It would take 1 month.
One more, no problem. I will sleep in the road, no problem, because maybe I will sell my motorbike for money for go there. So I don't care.
All right.
I promise.
Alright. Next. Anjing dibuang guys. Speed core ya guys ya. Anjing.
Fucking go! Let's fucking go! I only peace with them. Get my daddy go, yo niggas!
Anjing.
More power.
Oh, Pargo ini.
Let's go. Yeah. Cho is bro.
Cho?
Cho.
Cho.
Like that?
No.
No.
Cho, bro. Jancho.
Like,
No. Maybe like
cho. Like cho?
yeah.
Oh, cho.
Yeah.
Cho.
Maybe
Cho.
lure.
Lord?
Yeah.
Okay, cho.
Lure is bro. Maybe
So what is cho?
Jancho is brother.
Okay, alright. Okay.
Anjing, Jancho is brother.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Anjay. Anjing buat anak kawan goblok.
Nami. Nami. I love Indonesia. I'm never leaving this country. Hey, I already know exactly who you are. Nami, I love you. I fucking love you.
Thank you so
This is a smash. This is automatically a smash. Hold on, can I take a picture with you?
Okay.
Luffy and Nami, right here.
Lutfi anjing.
I have a question to you.
What?
Lutfi and Nami ya guys ya,
This is, I
Lutfi.
think, big question. Zoro
Mantap,
or
anjing.
Sanji? Oh.
I hate when people ask me that. Chat, I know it may be cliche, but I like Zoro better.
Yes.
Yes.
It's like
I know, like,
Ronaldo.
yeah. Yo, can you do this one dance? It's called the Indonesia jump. All right, you gotta go. Santai.
Ah.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
3. Santai. There we go. Nami.
Matana anjing
Alright,
tadinya
Okay,
ngumpul.
Nami.
You
All
pick
right.
me or not?
Huh? Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. I love Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, you do? Okay, Nami. All right. I love you, Nami.
I love you.
Hey, YB. There we go. See, look. I need more of that, bro. Yeah, it's kind of hot outside, isn't it?
Ini guys ya. Ketemu Nami One Piece.
It's fine. Yo, chat, is my chat working? Type in the chat, is my chat working or not?
Anjing yang komen, banyak ya kelihatan yang kanan guys. Kita lihat guys ya. Apakah benar?
This dead as my best stream ever in my life. Yo, bro. Never mind, I got it. This is dead as my best stream ever, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nami. Oh! Oh shit. Nami. Oh shit. Yo. Nami. Oh my god. Yo. I love Indonesia. I'm never leaving this country. Oh my god. Hey, I already know exactly who you are. Hey, Nami, I love you. I fucking love you. This is a smash. This is automatically a smash. Yo, hold on. Can I take a picture with you? Yo, hold on, wait. We need to take a picture. Get on that camera. Yo, we got Nami, chat. This is Nami. Luffy and Nami, right here. Yes. Called the. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. I love Cristiano Ronaldo.
Nami, I love you. W Nami. Hey, YB, there we go. See, look. I need more of that, bro. I need more. Yo, YB, where's Nami at? Bring Nami back.
Bring Nami back? After this, okay?
No.
Spinning Nami back.
Yo, YB, where's Nami at?
Anjing Nami di channel goblok.
Bring Nami back?
Bro. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Nami, I wanted you back. Why? Bro, you are like a dream. Like,
Oke, si Naminya kembali lagi guys.
I like this. Like I genuinely like this. Cause like,
Who's your favorite character in One Piece?
huh?
Nami is your favorite character, woman. Your female?
Yes, yes,
Another Nami?
yes, yes.
What?
I like Nami and Boa Hancock. Yeah.
Explain, go ahead.
Yeah, I like Nami Boy and Robin, but I'd like this is fire. Like I need to get your number. Like what's your number?
Oh.
Yeah. Let me get the. Yeah, can you put your number in? Yeah, like we need to get the number right. We gotta, you know what I'm saying? Cause I like Nami.
Anjing.
We gotta conquer the.
Dia udah bersuami ya kan?
You know, shit, we gotta get the One Piece.
Si ini
And I'ma say your name is Nami.
nama Instagramnya si Kameam.
Boy, I'm gonna
Apa
text you.
Kameam ya?
Chat W Nami in the chat. Wait, why is it green? Why is it green? Why is it green? Why is it green?
Or maybe my Instagram.
You have an Instagram or Android?
Instagram.
No, do you have iPhone or Android?
iPhone.
You didn't put the. Did you? No. Put area code. Put +62. Put +62. Come on, chat. We gotta get the One Piece together. Like, bro, like we on the grand line.
Do you know how?
Alright, bet. Okay. No, you didn't put the. Bro, she didn't put the +62, bro.
If you want to see me, cause
No. I know. I got it. +60. Okay, there we go. Now I have your number now. Okay. All right, bet. I'll just text you. There you go. All right. Okay. All right, Navi. That's all I want. I just wanted your number. Okay. All right. Bye.
see you next time.
Bye. That's all I wanted.
Oke, sekian video reaction kali ini. Jangan lupa untuk di subscribe, like, dan komen ya guys. Gua Rival Jahab Sunda Mensa. Bye.